Hey everybody, my beautiful wife here and we are taking a little walk. It's foggy and beautiful in the back. I don't know if you can see it. But anyways, we wanted to say hi. Winter is here and we have a few videos coming for you. I wanted to let you know that we have a little bit of a few different episodes coming up. We are gonna make some more documentary type of stories of people that we have met in the road. So our next video this next weekend is gonna be that. I'm gonna give you a little teaser of the first couple. Their names are Mike and Julie, and they live in a tiny home. I'm gonna leave a little preview here at the end of this video. So just wanted to give you the heads up that we have videos that are a little bit different coming. We also have another video about fire safety with Chief Chris from the Lanark Fire Company. And yeah, we're gonna keep enjoying this beautiful walk. We will see you later. Do you have anything to say? Absolutely nothing. All right, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.
We really wanted to make sure we knew what we were doing before we did it. We didn't want to be just to jump into it and then 6 months later be like, this was a horrible mistake. We've been living here for, it'll be a year.
It is a year.
Is it?
Yep, it is 1 year, like 1 year, 1 day.
So I'm Julie, this is Mike, and we live in a tiny house here in Gettysburg.